Mewdii people. In today's video, I'm going to be finally showing you all how I style my 4C hair. 4C hair is one of the most toughest types of hair to work with, manipulate, style, all that. And I'm going to show you all what I typically do to get these curls. So if you want to see how I get them, then keep on watching. Off camera, I did a pre-poo, a steam treatment, and a shampoo and condition. So we are starting off with fresh, clean hair. Please be advised that all products used will be listed in the description box below. So yeah, let's just jump right in. As you all can see, I did spray my hair with some leave-in conditioner, and then I did grab some cream conditioner from the main choice. It's actually a leave-in treatment, and I just applied that all over my hair. Now I'm going to section my hair and detangle it. I just feel like sectioning then detangling works best for me and my arms. Those of you who are natural know that doing your hair is literally like an arm workout. So yeah, the way I like to style my 4C hair is actually a braid out as opposed to a twist out. I just feel like braid outs give me a better curl than twist outs do. Now I'm not saying that I don't do twist outs, because I surely do when I'm feeling lazy and don't feel like plaiting my hair, because that takes about 15 to 20 minutes. But yeah, typically I do a braid out on my hair, so that's what you're about to see me do. After I detangle each section before I plait it, I do like to grab some of Aunt Jackie's Glossy curling jelly and apply that, and then I go ahead and go with the plait. That helps to really let the curls set and make them pop when I take my braids down the next day. I'm not sure if you all have noticed, but once I get towards the bottom of the plait and I have about an inch left, I like to split the hair and then twist the rest down. And then once I have it twisted, I like to curl it around my finger, give it a nice little coil. I feel like that's what really secures the plait, and I like to make sure that it is secure, because I don't like when my twists or my braids, plaits, whatever, come undone throughout the day, throughout the night, whether I'm sleeping or up. I don't like unraveled twists, because then I have a half curly head and that don't look cute. Anyone else hate doing the back / middle of their head as much as I do? Your girl be going through it. My arms be screaming, my back be tired, and I already can't see. I know y'all see me squinting in the camera. It's not a fun time. That's my least favorite part to do, and that's why I always do it last. I know y'all seen me take a couple breaks. That back and middle of that head is nothing to be played with. Now typically I don't do my edges because they don't lay down, they root like that, but for this video I decided to give it a try. So I'm just taking my 24-hour edge tamer. I'm not doing nothing fancy, I'm just smoothing down the sides where it was all frizzy and puffy. Alright, it is the next day, we got our face done, and now it's time to take down our hair. So I'm just grabbing some oil, applying that on the hair with my hands, and then I'm using the excess oil as I take down each plait, and I'm just massaging that in. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I finally did a natural hair video, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm thinking about changing it up. I don't know if I want to do a cut or change the color. I said I was keeping my hair this color until my friend's mom's hair grew back from fighting cancer, and y'all, she had peach fuzz yesterday, so it'll be back in no time. But I did enjoy this color, but now I think I'm ready for something new. I don't know if I want to cut a color, a cut and color. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.